Good morning, guys. Exclusive Autoworks here with another project. We are doing a full nose PPF on this brand new X5. We're also doing a layer of D-Quartz as well as CQUARTZ Finest Reserve, which is going to be applied to all the paint. We're doing all the PPF and skin. We're doing all the glass, face of the wheels, barrel of the wheels, and the brake calipers. We're also doing 2 front tints in ceramic. We're doing 75%. The customer wants heat rejection and UV rejection, but doesn't want any problems with the law or getting inspected. So 75% is the way to go for him. So come along as we prep this and I will walk you through each step. And there you have it, guys. We have ourselves a BMW X5M. We've got the full nose wrapped. We've got all ceramic tints all the way around. And we've also got a layer of D-Quartz with CQUARTZ Finest Reserve on all the painted surfaces. We've got CarPro skin on all the PPF, specifically made for PPF. And the entirety of the wheels, barrels, calipers, we've got everything on this. So this guy's protected, ready to go, and ready to keep this thing as clean as you can for as long as you can.